Tracfone users can monitor data usage through two main methods: on-device counters and account balance checks. On-device counters, found in your phone's settings, track real-time data consumption per app. Account balance checks, accessed via the My Tracfone app or website, display your remaining data from your purchase plan. As of October 2025, Tracfone has improved its app and website for more accurate and timely data monitoring, including AI-driven usage prediction alerts and real-time data refreshes every 15 minutes. Both methods are free and accessible, but discrepancies can occur due to network latency or app issues, so cross-checking is advised. On-device counters provide real-time tracking on your phone. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Data Usage. For iOS, access Settings, Cellular Data. Set warnings or limits to stay aware of your consumption. For account balance, get an authoritative view of your Tracfone plan. Text USage to 611611 for instant info, or use the My Tracfone app or website for detailed breakdowns. Use on-device counters for daily monitoring of apps and activities. Account balance shows your plan's remaining data and any promotions. Cross-reference both methods to spot discrepancies, like unreflected data rollovers. Enable notifications for usage thresholds, such as 80% alerts, to manage proactively. Tracfone's app now uses AI to predict when you'll run out of data based on your patterns.